All right, this is 1111 Tarot. We're fixing to go on to a trip here, take you with us. We're going mobile. Hi, I'm Auntie D, also known as Danny, and you'll meet Robin and Leanne when we get there. So here we go. Imagine there's all countries. Yes! All right, guys, we're going off-roading, and I got some of the 1111 girls. There's 4 of us. That's Lee. Hey, Robin.
Hey.
Bernice. Yeah, we made fun of the idea that throughout the day I'll just call them random names and you guys will try to remember which one is Lee and Robin by the end. But anyway, we're out to grab some vibes and find some rocks and get some nature and fresh air. Thought we'd take you along on our little adventure here. We've been working a lot on the channel. One of the things we're working on is designing our own tarot cards. So you never know, something we find today might be something that we share on our tarot cards. And then we'll be giving away packs of those when they get developed. So with that...
Not to mention the pretty rocks we're making into jewelry as well.
Yeah, so like Lee was saying, there's a lot of pretty rocks that we find. And then what do you guys do with them once you find them, Lee?
We tumble them, polish them,
yeah,
make them look pretty.
You guys fall in love with the strangest rocks, and then they turn out to be beautiful once they're rolled.
Yep.
I call it rolling.
To me, you know, it's a good life philosophy anyway. Don't always judge something from the outside. Sometimes you got to tumble a little bit to get the real inside, but hey.
And Robin, you get the tumbled rocks, you tumble them too, but then you take it a step further.
I make hammocks for my rocks.
Hammocks?
Hammocks can hang around here. Oh, I should have worn one.
We'll get to it. We'll share.
They look like little hammocks for...
And we'll be offering those on the channel in time. Okay. But yeah, we're going to be doing mobile read today. So you will also see a tarot read today that will air. And it will be done live on site wherever we land. We have no destination. We're just enjoying the day. Okay. Ooh, ow.
Right off the bat, I got a really pretty tumbler.
Seriously, show it. What'd you get?
Well, doesn't look like much. We get it wet, like it'll be when it's polished. It's got some colors in there.
Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, burr. I gotta get out in the sun. Dude, seriously, freezing.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, fucker.
Look at that. Showing them. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Nice size chunk. You did find a heart rock. How precious. I love it, Ruben. I love it. It's gorgeous, darling.
Simply marvelous. Yeah, that little red one.
You see the little red agate? Do you? Look at that guy. You see these crystals that are actual crystals? Look. I'm going to try to get it. It's like a geode. It's got this like really shiny metallic stuff on the outside. And then right down the middle of the strip, if you look really close right in here. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus. Hold on. Un momento. Look at that. It's just a beautiful piece. So I'm going to keep that. Yeah. Or on this
like
side.
an edge of it. It's like, it's weird.
It's banded. It's a banded like clay agate with real agate on the outside. It's very good. Here, lovely.
And the color.
This is yours. Oh, what are you? Oh! Look. Oh, wow. I don't know if you're seeing the scalloped edges of this. It's a really good red clay agate. Luckily at the... It's a nice clay agate. I'm trying to get that one side that has all that band-aid on it. It's just iridescent though. It's beautiful. Oh yeah, look at that band-aid. gorgeous. Here you go, Lee.
Sorry,
Beautiful.
my eye.
Beautiful. Look. Isn't it beautiful? Do you see it glowing? Right up here. So this is what I found so far while I was just resting here. Looking around. Haley, what do you got?
It's a little. I'll hold it up.
Oh, that's cute. Isn't that neat? I don't know if that's anything. If it is,
Oh, look at that. That is bizarre. Nice agate.
Tell Sydney at the very least.
Woo! You all right?
I know
All
they're
right.
trying to trip you.
They are. They're grabbing me and everything.
Just trying to figure out a way to get down there.
Oh, boy. Okay. Let's size this up.
Not that washed away.
Yeah,
We'll
but look
just
at those
walk right down
rocks.
the- I
We've got to
know.
get to them, so we just got to think this through.
This one looks like it's a little bit more.
All right, Lee.
You're going to have to grab supplies, Lee.
Hold on. I'm gonna put this stuff down.
Yeah. Okay, backpack. Awesome catch. Bucket! I'm sliding.
Down.
Bucket full of rocks, catch. Okay, this one's got my back pocket. Okay.
Ow! Oh! At least it's on sand.
It's a soft landing if I can
Right?
get my feet under me.
Yes,
I gotta hold your pocket.
Okay, watch your feet. I want to squish your foot.
Okay, we got this.
Long. Good thing I have long legs because this is a long drop.
Okay, we got this. We're here. Look. Shiny little agate. Look at that. Nice. It's small, but still a nice little gem to keep. Very pretty. What you doing, Robin?
I was looking at the raccoon prints.
Oh, where are they?
Oh.
Where? Ah, they look like little handprints. Look at him. Nice. Ooh, look at those rocks. We gotta get over this tree. We can walk through this nasty water. Dang, we left our chainsaw in the truck, didn't we? I don't even have a truck. I don't even have a chainsaw. So, woo! Oh, that's some pretty mossy stuff, isn't it? Pretty lovely. All right, lovelies. Oh, be strong, little branch. Oh, shit. I'm stuck. Hold on. Just take a minute. Oh, it's all about balance, right? And not caring what's in your hair. Okay. Like nobody's probably even been on to see these rocks because this riverbed is all sand. And when we were here in the spring, this riverbed didn't even exist. It gets changed by the river. Kind of like when you think of like how we have to be as people. We have to allow the changes in our lives. We have to adapt. And that's not always easy. But when we adapt, we find there's beauty in the changes, in the metamorphosis.
A little school of minnows. Where it might get a little bit difficult.
Careful on that one.
I know.
I mean, all we gotta do is get across there, and we're over there.
I know.
What are you doing?
We're gonna see if we can cross the water to go. I mean, it's gonna be cold, but we'd live. We've done worse. Oh, shoo-wee. Oh. Yeah, that's too deep. I mean, look. It's too deep.
There's no way.
Yeah, but if you go on the other side of this, I think you could do it. Back up a little bit. Don't fall, for real. Try to sit down for a minute. She's chunky.
I don't want to fall in the water.
Okay, hold on. I'm twisted around.
Hold.
Oh, that water is ice. So close to getting on top of this thing with you. Woo! All right. Now, don't. All right, here we go. Cute hiney.
You said I have a cute hiney?
Yeah. Oh, dear Jesus. Hey, Robin. Okay, phone in the pocket. Hopefully I'll see you on the other side.
Thank you for saving me, Mr. Tree.
She said all the birds, Robin said all the birds are flying out of here. It's like elephants going through the jungle here. I gotta be really careful with those burning nettles. Those are so painful. Okay, forget me. That's a great idea. Okay, up this big hill. Oh, look at the pretty flowers. So pretty. Oh, yeah. Hi, Robin. I see you. Good. Oh, look at the beautiful sand. I mean, look at the beautiful sand. Pockets. You can put them in your little pocket.
A little pocket.
Well, look at you. Lily, ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's try to figure this hike back. Is there anywhere to cross? I was literally looking. I'm like, I know, it's just that little bit or the hike through the woods forever.
Yeah, but.
Ah! I can hear Robin humming. Whoa. I don't want to stay there too long. I feel like I'm going to sink. Where's she going?
That's about as far as I can get, and then it's going to be up to my knees.
Yeah.
We're going to get there one way.
Oh, deer tracks too. Definitely deer tracks. How are we going to walk that deep water?
Sachi's my homie.
Sachi's your homie, Sasquatch.
Hi.
Hi, Robin. We're just, wondering if we should swim it rather than go back through the woods. The Knights who say neat. Okay.
I'm not worried about the woods. I'm crossing that damn tree again. That was a challenge.
That was a challenge. Oh, look at this beautiful driftwood.
Yes.
Okay. Hey, Robin. King of the hill. Okay. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Oh, look at the view.
I'm fine.
Duck your head, Lee. Oh, wow.
Pretty behind me.
I wish I could say that the hard part is over. But it's not. We got to go across a tree. It is our friend.
Walk up where the road is.
What are you talking about?
But
Whew, that's a long way to go. I mean, that's a long way to go. Is there any way upriver we can cross? No. The tree is our friend.
the tree is our friend.
The tree.
Okay. All right, here we go, folks.
I think I'm gonna lose my walking stick.
Stick.
All right. This okay?
Or being scared for us, one of the two.
I'm scared for y'all.
Be very scared. Be very, very scared.
I am. You got this, sister.
I got this. Ooh, I like this part. You're gonna be okay. Hold on, just you don't have to hurry.
No, I'm just having some anxiety. I'm okay.
It's okay, lovely. You will be fine, I promise. It's a little intense at that moment, but just sit there till you get your bearings. And then you're gonna make this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna keep coming forward, walk along the edge there till you pass that stump. Tree branches. You got this, Libra, for real.
I don't like this part.
I know, me either. Once you're past that part, that is the crutch. That is the hard part. The crooks.
Not yet.
Okay.
Hi, Lee.
Hi.
Brush it all off. Shake it off. It's just got a little bit further to go. Yeah.
It's warm. I mean, it's really not. It's like 50 something, but I'm warm.
You have a little adrenaline.
A little bit.
A little adrenaline. It's just beautiful. What do you got behind your back?
Nothing.
Hi, Robin.
Hi, lovely.
Lace, are you ready to head out?
Yeah.
Lee, what are you doing?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
Not breaking the law at all.
To the top. Okay, now let me put this down. I can hand stuff to me. Okay, give me that little frisbee thingy.
Did you call it a Christmas thingy?
Yes,
Oh my God. Hold on now. Ooh,
I
want to
said
pull you down.
frisbee thingy. Woo! I got you. Kind of. I got your back, sure.
All right.
Thank you, sister.
Don't forget your
Backpack, backpack. Bye, beautiful. See you again soon. She'd have never survived the tree. That would have been hysterical. Robin on that tree. Oh my God, there's no way.
That was very friendly.
Robin, I was thinking we'll come back tomorrow. It's supposed to be warmer. And do you want to climb the tree with us?
No.
I'll be
If we gave you... We'd have to get one of those. They see the car. All right. I will see you again soon. So we've made it back to the car, and let me flip this. Flip it and reverse it. The end. No, I didn't flip
Lord.
it. She's like, oh God, I'm going to be on camera. Maybe not. I can't flip it.
My hair's awful right now.
You can't flip it.
Well, we've climbed trees and
I know.
rivers. Okay, let me see if I can flip this.
I didn't expect to be pretty today anyway.
You're always pretty. Shut up. I can't get it to
Thank you,
flip.
though.
All right. Stop.
Sorry.
And reverse it. All right, where are we going?
Home.
Oh,
Or, well, I mean, but there's like a really pretty area we're going to drive through.
okay.
Lots of tall hills, and it's beautiful.
Good. Because I don't want to climb them
No,
anymore.
just drive.
I'm worn out. Are you worn out?
I'm worn out. I'm tired.
Okay, I want to show
I
you
crossed
guys.
a dang freaking tree to get across the river.
Okay, look. I gotta show you. Look at my knee. I don't know if it'll show on camera. Don't mind my green toenails. Okay, wait. Oh, it doesn't even show up that bad, but it's way out here.
Yeah,
I don't know.
It's just
Okay, we're gonna go this way. So we'll see you there.